Okay, so one thing I like to actually buy is Australian made. So I'm not very patriotic, but you buy Australian made, you know, keeping jobs in Australia. That does help me because they pay Medicare levy. So here we have Do Good Labs, and they're Australian made, so as you can see. And they made these biscuits. There's not many in them. I think there's like $2 each, so it's not going to hurt. You can get them from the supermarket. Look them up. Do Good Farms. So if we open up the label, you can just rip it apart. And okay, you got a list of ingredients. If you want to pause video, hope it's not too blurry. Flour, Follatau, butter, dark compound chocolate, lots of different stuff. Doesn't say any preservatives or anything, but this is it. You got 8 in there. They're small, which are actually quite good. So this one is, I did eat one before. It was I can't remember. Lemon I think. Dark chocolate and coconut. Not too sweet, quite good. So get these. They're made, whereabouts are they made in? Don't know where they made in. I'm talking about which part of Australia. Should have an address somewhere. Queensland. 4152 postcode. So quite nice. Another one to get is Byron Bay cookies. I haven't had these before. Wonder if they're as good. This one, they're baked in Byron Bay. Here's some information on the actual, and you can look on their website. And these ones are also made in Australia and Byron Bay, as I said. Okay, and there's the address. Okay, and what's in these cookies? Flour, compound chocolate, milk solids, butter, apple puree concentrate. Braising agent, natural passion fruit color, natural vanilla. No preservatives. Good. It does have milk, so if you're allergic to milk, eggs and soy, don't have it. And storing, 13 to 22 degrees. Today's temperature is going to be 37. Bloody oath. So, let's have a look. Okay, well, before that, I've got mango and passion fruit and toasted coconut and white chocolate. Let's have a look at these. You get a bit more, but these are only about $2 as well. And that's what you get. I can taste the passion fruit. I can taste the mango. It's actually quite nice. Not too sweet as the chocolate one. But if you like sweet, eat some sugar in the first place, And my wife's going to come and go, why you bloody ate the cookies for? So here's this one. Coconut and white chocolate. White coconut. They should have just made this with coconut. Totally. So out of these, which one do I like? Chopped coconut, mango passion, or double chocolate coconut. It's more coconut, but still good. So I recommend you getting these. Try them, and wherever you are in the world, just support your local economy.